Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Us and X Academy. Today, I'm going to teach you how to find the general rule or the M term of a quadratic sequence. Okay, so it's a quadratic sequence. Okay, let's have an example of a quadratic sequence. Okay, let's say we have maybe it's 2, 4, 8, that is going to be 14, plus 10, that is going to be 22. So this is our quadratic sequence here, and we are to find the general rule for it. So what we simply just do, okay, we find the first difference. So that is going to be 2, then here is going to be 4, then here is going to be 6, and here is going to be 8. Okay, then we find this is 2, this is 2, 2. Okay, now it's very simple. We have A plus B plus C equals to 2. Our first term here 2. And we have 3A plus B equals to our first term here, which is 2. And we are going to have 2A equals to our first term here, okay, which is 2. So our first term here they are all 2 coincidentally. So they equals to these terms. You know what? Let me use a different coloring. Okay, yeah, let me use this one. So yeah, they equals to this. Okay, so we'll solve starting with this one below. So we'll start with this one. So we have 2A equals to 2. Then we solve for A. Then we divide by 2. We divide by 2. We get that A equals to 1. Then we get to this one. So we have solved for A. Now we have to solve this one. We get that 3A plus B equals to 2. Okay, then now we replace A with 1. So we're going to have 3 multiplied by 1 plus B equals to 2. Then it's going to be 3 plus B equals to 2. Then we subtract minus 3, then this cancels this, and we have B equals to minus 1. Okay, now we go to the last step. We have A plus B plus C equals to 2. Then we have A is how much is 1 plus, so B it's negative 1. So we can write plus negative 1, sorry. Yeah, but we can just simply write it as minus 1. Okay, then plus C, and this equals to 2. So this 1 minus 1, they are just going to leave as 0, and we are just going to be left with C equals to 2. So we have solved for everything, and we know that the quadratic formula takes the form A n squared plus bn plus c. So we simply now just substitute the values. So the value of a, so here is going to be 1n squared plus, so n is plus it's negative 1n plus how much is c, plus 2. Okay, now when we simplify this, we are just simply going to have n squared minus n plus 2. Now this is our general formula or our nth term for the quadratic sequence. Okay, now we can test whether we are correct. So maybe let's try to find this is the third term here. Our third term of the sequence is 8. So let's substitute here on our equation with 8 and with 3, so that we can find if we'll get 8. So we have n squared, so it's going to be 3 squared because 8 is our third term. So minus 3 plus 2. Okay, plus 2. So we want to see if we'll get 8. So that is going to be 9 minus 3 plus 2. So 9 minus 3, that is going to give us 6 plus 2. And that is 6 plus 2 is 8. Then we see that our quadratic nth term is correct. So if you have any question, feel free to ask. Remember that As an X Academy is an online tutoring school. So wherever you are in the world, you can now attend our online classes. So please remember to like the video if you found it important and share. And thank you for tuning in.